Hey everybody! Some people have been accusing your old pal Uncle Jay of using AI to augment my videos. Know who complains about that kind of crap? D-Wads, that's who. You heard me. D-Wads. Want me to spell it out for you? Okay, it's D, and then Wads. Of course I use AI, you knob. This YouTube channel is called AI Tips with Jay, so naturally it's gonna have AI and tips and Jay. Calm down. I said tips. Anyway, if you want to know how I made this video without all these broads beating the snot out of me, click a like. If we get at least 100 likes, I'll make the video. If we don't get at least 100 likes, this towel is coming off.
AI tips with Jay.